Today in Nityananda TV News. Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nityananda. Inner Awakening 21-day Yoga and Meditation Retreat. Nityananda Vidyalaya and N-Genius program for kids. Nityanandam and welcome to Nityananda TV News 2013. Now for today's top stories. And morning satsang with Paramahamsa Nityananda.
Just the right food, the pure food, which is pure by its nature, by right persons handling it, and right way it is brought to you. This pure food alone is enough to kindle, awaken the natural energy you are carrying, what I call Kundalini Shakti or inner potential energy or your bioenergy. In India, we have a unique tradition. All human beings who are seeking the higher life is expected to live vegetarian lifestyle, but specifically in particular months of a year, everyone is asked to be vegetarian. It is very surprising. Those few months exactly, the whole country crime rate goes lower than the level it is in other months. And when you take the vegetarian food, you also awaken your biomemory to be directly producing the food and energy from the space directly, just like plants and trees. See, plants and trees carries a quality or intelligence. They produce their energy directly from the sun and ether, from air. They directly produce life energy from the sun, air and earth and water. When you are regularly eating only vegetarian food, consciously, your biomemory, your bioenergy also can awaken the same quality. Please understand, if you can take a little support from the conscious source, like meditation or little yoga, you can see very clearly that possibility in your biomemory is awakened. I have seen in my own life hundreds of yogis, my followers, disciples, start living without even having regular eating habit. They eat once in a while. When I say once in a while, maybe once in a week. There are some who eat only once in a month. That also they take just little juice or little water. With that they are able to live. It is possible if you eat vegetarian food and awaken the same biomemory, awaken the same bioenergy which plants carry. And many of them, through this lifestyle, have overcome blood pressure, cholesterol, so many health benefits. all human beings need to know why you behave the way you behave, why you do the way you do, why you do what you do. Whatever way you react, whatever way you function, your root thought pattern is responsible.
Introducing Inner Awakening Level 1. Discover the technique to identify and overcome core root patterns. Change your past and create a vibrant new future. Soar to greater heights of uninhibited creativity and productivity. Experience loving relationships. Get initiated by Paramahamsa Nityananda into the practice of 4 sacred principles that guide you towards success in every step of your life.
Find your root thought pattern and complete. Only then life starts for you.
Inner Awakening Level 1. Contact 08027279999 or visit www.innerawakening.org/level1.
Mahamsa Nityananda in his energy field. Vedic lifestyle is the most ancient celebration in understanding the possibilities of life. It adds its unique flavor to our expression of who we are as individuals. This multidimensional creative domain of celebration is experienced through imbibing expanded awareness to create a platform of positive and productive life strategizing. Arts and crafts. Artistic expression is very creative and innovative and takes us back to the evolution of the human heart and the expression of its love towards nature. Various impressionable facets of human nature, like sharing, caring, and loving, are all expressed as a different flow of energies through the hearts and crafts. Goshala. According to the Vedic tradition, cows are sacred animals that provide us with milk, cheese, butter, biofuel, medicines. Goshala is the shelter designed specifically for these animals. Taking care of the animals brings us unconditional joy of our inner selves. Flower shop. Flowers bring in a new dimension of stimulation to our olfactory system. Latest research says that the fragrance of the flower even enhances our intuitive brain. Flowers have a great capacity to heal and balance the emotional component of our brain. Temple. Temples form the core of our rich Vedic culture. Rituals, events, and celebrations in the temples are ingenious, innovative, and colorful expressions of the mind. Temples as part of our lives assist us learn the creative celebratory lifestyle while helping us connect to higher realities. Temple activities can be rephrased as ecstasy in the rich lifestyle.